In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with seller.temu.com. First things first, before you dive into becoming a seller on Temu, it's essential to check if you're eligible. This involves making sure you meet Temu supplier requirements. You'll need to be a registered business, which means having a business license. You also need a valid tax ID or equivalent company registration documents. It's crucial that you can reliably ship inventory either to Temu warehouses or directly to customers. Additionally, your products must meet Temu's quality, safety, and authenticity standards. Once you've confirmed that you're eligible, head over to the Temu Seller Center and click the Sign Up button. Here, you'll begin by creating an account using your business email. This will be your primary point of communication, so make sure it's an email you frequently check. The next step is all about providing your business information. You'll need to upload several important documents, including your business license or registration certificate and your taxpayer identification number, also known as TIN or VAT. You'll also need to provide your company's name and address along with your bank account details for payouts so that you can receive your earnings without any hitches. Now let's move on to adding your product catalog. This involves uploading detailed information about your products, including images, descriptions, categories, and pricing. It's important to adhere to Temu's product listing rules, which focus on using high-quality images and providing accurate specifications. Keep in mind that competitive pricing is key as it can help improve your product ranking on the platform. After your products are listed, it's time to ensure your logistics and shipping are set up correctly. Temu primarily follows a warehouse plus fulfillment model. You may need to send your inventory to Temu's designated warehouses. However, in certain situations, you might have the option to ship directly to customers. Regardless of the method, it's imperative to comply with Temu's delivery timeframes to avoid any delays or issues with orders. Once you've completed these steps, it's a waiting game. Temu will review your application and product listings, which can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. Upon approval, you'll be ready to start selling on Temu's marketplace. Managing your store effectively is vital. Use the Temu Seller Portal to track sales, manage inventory, and handle payments. Quick responses to customer inquiries will improve customer service and keep buyers happy. Lastly, maintaining good ratings and reviews will help boost your store's visibility, so it's beneficial to stay on top of customer feedback. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start selling on Temu. Good luck and happy selling!